Well, tonight, the long road to justice. Jurors handed down a verdict today and did not buy the insanity defense of Radee Prince, who killed 3 of his co-workers in a mass shooting in Harford County 3 years ago. Prince now faces life in prison without parole. And WJZ investigator Mike Halgren is live in Bel Air with reaction from the state's attorney. Mike?
Denise, he says he does feel the families of these victims did indeed get some justice. However, Prince could still appeal this verdict, and sentencing has not yet been set.
We can't bring those lives back. All we can do is advocate for our victims and our survivors.
Jurors rejected Radee Prince's argument that he suffered from such severe mental health issues at the time he shot his 5 co-workers that he should not be held criminally responsible. Now, Prince is facing 5 life prison sentences plus 25 more years behind bars for the mass shooting in Edgewood in 2017. The Harford County State's attorney praised the verdict.
My heart goes out to the families and the survivors and the victims in this case. This is their first step of closure.
The mass shooting terrorized the community, and prosecutors showed jurors surveillance video of the massacre. Prince worked at a granite business, claimed he was bullied, brought a gun, and shot his fellow employees in the head. Among the dead, Bayer Sakantu Dev, Jose Romero, and Enes Mervolyak.
If another individual decides to make another bad choice and this happens in Harford County again, the same result will happen. We will work tirelessly to put that person behind bars for as long as we can.
The same day, Prince drove to Delaware, where he shot an acquaintance. He's serving a 40-year sentence for that crime. The defense argued Prince suffered from depression and a brain injury after a 2014 assault and could not understand what he did was wrong. Jurors deliberated the insanity plea almost 10 hours over 2 days. When they read their verdict, Prince showed no emotion in the courtroom.
I will say he was responsible. His defense was up to him and his team. I don't want to try to speculate as to what they were thinking.
And Prince will serve his sentence in Delaware first before whatever time he ultimately gets here in Maryland. The state's attorney says he wishes these trials would have started here in Harford County. Reporting live in Bel Air, Mike Halgren, WJZ.